Greetings and welcome to The View from the Road, my mostly weekly video about the goings-on here in the Thompson School District and the greater Loveland area. And this week the theme to me is the 3 R's, and that would be recruit, repair, repeat. And recruiting is what we've been working on with all the tryout nights, and we're still in the thick of it. We've got plenty more of them to come. We've done plenty of them already, and the response has been fantastic. I mean, as we know, music is a great activity. Everyone should do it, or at least try it out, and give it a chance to take hold as a lifelong activity, because it really is. And at these tryout nights, we put instruments in the hands of kids and we let them make noise. We kind of coach them through that and really help them try to find their musical voice. So the recruitment is definitely happening. If you have signed up for band or orchestra or choir and you've got friends who haven't yet, talk to them, tell them. Recruiting is everyone's responsibility, and it just pays such great dividends going on because we want to have as many people as possible participating. And then on the repair side of things, once again, here in the Thompson School District, there is district level money in the budget for repairs, and thank you so much. We never take that for granted, but it's awesome that these instruments are getting fixed. It's awesome that we are being the ones trusted to do those repairs, and that's just so important because schools tend to buy and own the more expensive instruments, so like tubas, basses. I got a couple of them right here behind me that are going in for repair, because for individual families these can be really burdensome, but they are so important for the ensembles as a whole, and maintaining those instruments is really, really important. And so we're once again going to have the opportunity to do that, make sure that these kids that are just starting out on their musical journey have equipment that is appropriate and that functions properly. I actually had this conversation with a director this morning. I was saying that pros know how to compensate for when their instrument isn't working. For example, my trumpet had a brace broken on it for 14 years. Yes, really, that's just negligence on my part. But I could work around it. It didn't matter. It didn't affect the playability of it for me because I knew what to do about it. But if a kid is playing on a bass, for example, and the action's too high on it, or if they're playing on a clarinet and the pads aren't sealing, that is a huge problem, and that has to be dealt with. And so that's what we always tell our repair technicians, that when you're setting up for a beginner, it's even more important that everything functions properly, because we don't want someone that's just starting out to blame themselves when it's something that's wrong with the equipment, and especially when we can do something about it and make sure that it is functioning right. So that is one of the most important things that we do with these repairs at the end of the school year as we prepare for the next one. And then repeat, do it all over again. So we have recruiting that's always going on and that we always want to do. We've got repairs which are going to ramp up now here as we head into the summer, and then we just once again repeat and just do it over and over again because we want as many people participating as possible. That is your view from the road. As always, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.